Is your laptop running slower than a turtle on a lazy Sunday? Opening Chrome takes ages, and everything just freezes? Waiting for your apps to load feels like a lifetime, making you want to throw your computer out the window. But wait, don't buy a new computer just yet. Today, I will show you 4 hidden settings to instantly boost its speed. Let's start with your boot up speed. When you turn on your laptop, too many heavy apps start running automatically. To stop them, simply right-click on your taskbar and open the Task Manager on your screen right now. On the left menu, look for Startup Apps. This is where the hidden resource-hungry software hides. Find the apps you don't need every day, like Spotify or Skype. Right-click on them and hit Disable. This instantly frees up your RAM and prevents Windows from lagging right after you turn it on. This simple 10-second trick alone can cut your laptop's startup loading time completely in half. Next, let's wipe out the digital garbage. Press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. A small run box will pop up. Type %temp% inside it exactly as shown and press Enter. A hidden folder will open filled with gigabytes of useless temporary files that are slowing your system down. Press Ctrl+A to select all of them, and then hit Shift+Delete to permanently wipe them out. Don't worry, these are just old cache files. Deleting them is completely safe and clears up massive space. Your hard drive can now breathe easily, and your applications will open much faster than before. Now, let's make Windows clean itself automatically so you never have to do this manually again. Open your Windows settings, click on System, and then navigate straight down to the Storage option. Right there, you will find a feature called Storage Sense. Go ahead and toggle it to on. Click into its settings and schedule it to run every week. It acts like a digital broom for your system. It will automatically delete your empty recycle bin items and old temporary files in the background silently. Your laptop stays fresh, optimized, and fast, week after week without you lifting a single finger. Ready for extreme speed? By default, Windows caps your laptop's processor power to save some battery. Let's unlock it. Go to Settings, click Power and Battery, and change power mode to Best Performance. This gives your CPU full permission to run at maximum clock speed whenever you need heavy multitasking. Whether you are opening heavy apps, editing high-res videos, or playing intense games, it stops lagging completely. The difference is like night and day. You are upgrading from a slow engine to a twin-turbo beast. Your hardware is now fully optimized to handle any heavy task you throw at it smoothly. Give your laptop a quick restart right now, and you will immediately notice the blistering fast speed change. If these hidden settings helped you, please smash that like button and hit subscribe for more daily tech hacks. Drop a comment below if your laptop feels faster now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.